What if your spreadsheet could highlight its own problems and its biggest wins without you checking a single cell by hand? By the end of this video, your sheet will color code itself automatically and you'll never hunt through rows again. Here's our sales sheet. I want two things at a glance. Every big order over 500 highlighted in green and any missing data flagged in red. Normally, you'd eyeball it row by row. Instead, we'll let AI set it up, and Excel keeps doing it automatically from now on. This one isn't a formula. It's a feature called conditional formatting. So instead of asking for a formula, I'll ask AI to walk me through the exact clicks. I'll type in Excel, how do I highlight every cell in column H that's greater than 500 in green? Give me the exact steps. Naming the column and the rule is what gets you steps you can actually follow. It tells me to select column H, go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, select Highlight Cells Rules, click Greater Than, and then in the box you want to put 500, and then you can pick the green fill with dark green text. Click OK. As you can see, everything over 500 has been highlighted green. Now Excel keeps applying it as your data changes. Now we want to highlight any missing data in our report. I'll ask AI in Excel, how do I highlight blank cells in red? And just like that, it provides me the exact steps. It walks me through the new rule. Select range, hit conditional formatting, new rule, format only cells that contain blanks, and then select red fill. And then click OK. This provides any missing data to be highlighted as red. Lastly, one level up tip you could do, select total column, conditional formatting, color scales, and pick one. Now the whole column is a heat map. The highest sales is the darkest and the lowest is the lightest. And an instant visual rankings, one click, no formula. If you want your spreadsheets to do more of the work for you, subscribe and hit the like button. I post 1 to 2 videos every week that highlight AI and Excel skills. See you in the next one.